guys, on today's video on accepting an INTERAC e-transfer. So this is how to do it. So whether the person sent you the e-transfer through email, that's the most normal thing, they could do it through text message as well. So no matter which way, you just have to just click on that link. Alright, so this is a text message. That's how it looks like. Now, whether this is an email or a text message, you should see something like this, a link that you guys have to click on. I know that's risky if you don't know this person or if you're not 100% sure. And if you don't trust this, then go into your bank account, okay, log into it and turn on automatic deposits. So things that people sent you, e-transfers that people sent you, will be just automatically deposited into your bank account. You do not need to click on any links and you don't need to answer any secret questions. Usually when somebody sends you an e-transfer, you do have to answer that secret question so that way we can accept the money. But if you have it turned on so it automatically just deposits, you don't need to do that. Anyways, that said, we're gonna click on this link and then you should see a page like so. So just scroll down and look for your bank. Okay, so once you scroll down, just keep looking for your bank account. And right here, for example, I'm gonna choose Tangerine. Once I choose Tangerine, I can go and continue with my browser. So you can do that or just open the app. A lot of banks have apps now, so you guys could just do this through your app or just continue with the web browser. I'm gonna go on and open in app. It's gonna show you this, just open. And then some of you might see this, others might not. So don't worry about it. If it's your first time doing it, yes, you will see this. So just go all the way down and just agree to it, continue on. All right, and then from here, just have to accept it. So you want to know where this is going. So they sent me 250 and I have to answer the question. So they have to give you the answer to the question, okay? Whatever question that is. So in this case, I know the answer to a question is flash. And then I just have to type in continue, just down here below. All right, then you're gonna see this. Just confirm that it is in fact going to your savings account. Maybe you guys have checkings, just make sure it's going to the right place and deposit. Once you've done that, you're gonna see the screen. Transfer, deposited, you're all done. You guys can go on and set up auto deposit as well. So you don't need to go through this. Remember what I mentioned before? So you don't have to go through this and to avoid any scams, because clicking on links, it's always so risky nowadays that it's better to just set up auto deposit so you don't ever need to click on any links ever again. You guys can just go into your bank account and check out if the e-transfer is there. Anyways, we're just gonna tap on done. All right, and then from here I can see in this page that it's right there. The 250 has been deposited into my bank account. If I tap there on savings, from here I can see that it was in fact the e-transfer. Down here below, you guys can see those details. You guys can see a little bit more details of it once you tap on it as well, the transaction. And then it's gonna tell you exactly who this is from, and it's gonna tell you that it's in fact the e-transfer, and that's it. But as far as this video goes, we're all done. That's how you guys can go ahead and make sure that you got your e-transfer and to accept it. It's that easy. But anyways, if you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down in the comments area. And as always, like and share.